In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot. We'll walk through two simple ways to get Copilot on your computer. First, we'll use the Microsoft Store on Windows. Then I'll show you how to create a standalone web app that works on most computers using your browser. Microsoft also notes that many Windows 11 PCs already have Copilot pre-installed, so if you see Copilot in your Start menu or on your taskbar, you can open it right away and you're good to go. Let's start with the Microsoft Store method on Windows. Make sure you're connected to the internet, then open the Microsoft Store. You'll find it from the Start menu by searching for Microsoft Store. In the Store's search bar, type Microsoft Copilot. When you see Microsoft Copilot in the results, click it. On the app page, select Install or Get. The wording may vary, but either option begins the download and installation at no cost. If the store asks you to sign in, use your Microsoft account to continue. Now wait for the installation to finish. You'll see the progress right in the store, and it typically only takes a moment. When it's done, open the Start menu and launch Copilot from there. That's it for the Windows Store method. Open the store, search, install, wait, and launch from Start. If you'd rather not use an app store, you can install Copilot as a web app, and this works on most computers. Open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. In the address bar, go to the Microsoft Copilot web app. Once the Copilot site is open in Edge, click the three dots at the top right of the browser. From the menu, choose Apps, then select Install this site as an app. Confirm by clicking Install. Edge will create a standalone Copilot app on your computer that opens in its own window, separate from your browser tabs. This is great if you like quick access without juggling browser windows, and it behaves much like a regular desktop app. That's the whole process. On Windows, the Microsoft Store method is the most direct. Open the store, search for Microsoft Copilot, install, and launch from the Start menu. And if you prefer a lightweight approach or you're on a different setup, using your browser to install Copilot as a web app gives you a dedicated window with the same experience. Remember, many Windows 11 devices already have Copilot ready to go, so check your Start menu first. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Microsoft Copilot.